this is how it comes. In a big old box. Huge box.
Baby, you take too long to open this. It's like Christmas for me.
Sure, nice. Where's my Christmas?
Well, if you guys have any recommendations for men's subscription box.
She's saying it like she doesn't mean it.
It's a big old box for...
First thing we have is this. What is it?
Okay.
It says Amy.
Amy Kestenberg. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love unboxing. So you guys should recommend more. Ooh, a wallet. Ooh, that's pretty.
I'll tell you what I think about this in a man's point of view, because this was all about man's world.
Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
That's not a man's world.
Actually, this is a...
That's cute.
It's nice. This is a nice thing. It feels like it's real leather.
And it came in a little duster bag.
It's decent leather. This is not bad. This is pretty cool.
Do you like it? I kind of feel like it's too big though. I have a little wallet like this.
You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the wallets that the rebels used to wear back in the days.
Rebels? Rebels used to have wallets?
Yeah.
Men?
Yeah, men.
Men used to wear men used to have wallets?
This is not a wallet. This is a wallet. Credit card. You put your credit cards right here, your money right here. This is the real wallet from the rebel era. Who was a rebel? If you're a rebel, you remember these. This is mine. First thing I'm gonna do with this is paint it black. I'm gonna use
You're gonna ruin it.
No, this is a wallet like the rebel.
If you're gonna paint it black, then might as well give it away. Oh, next thing are hand beaded coasters. Ooh, that's pretty.
No, this is those candies.
Oh, the Mexican.
That turn into paper.
The wafers.
Yeah, the wafers. You put it in your mouth and then they just dissolve. This is what that is. I don't know. Or
they could be pasties.
I don't know about candy pen posters and stuff.
They could be pasties. I thought that's what you were gonna say.
Yeah, they're pasties. Look. Guys, do you guys have a wife that gets this excited about a box?
I mean, even men get excited for stuff that they get in the mail. Oh, babe, when you got your GoPro, what were you doing? You're like a little kid.
Like a little kid.
And then the accessories, and so we have exclusive Venus Williams Fabfitfun, and then I think there's a magazine where it shows you what you got. Look at how cute this package. Show them. This is so cute. I've been wanting to try this for so long.
What's
and
next?
now we could try it because we're gonna show you guys. Wow, that's a lot of stuff, huh?
Yeah, it looks like a lot of stuff actually.
Okay, Dr. Brandt needles no more. No more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. I like Dr. Brandt stuff. I have stuff to exfoliate.
Oh, I went to high school with her.
Dr. Brandt?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that you said it's a girl.
Dr. Brandt. I think it says oi. Oi.
Oi?
Oi, like that.
Oi.
Use the lips. Oi.
Oh.
Oi.
Oh.
Oi. Oi.
Ah, oi.
Oi.
So good. It smells so good. It smells fresh.
What is this?
It smells like spring. Get it? Spring box. Get it?
And the summer box smells like summer. And the winter box smells like winter.
Yeah, you know there's scents for different seasons. Nice. Some measuring spoons. It's so cute. Look, the copper color.
Oh, whoa. These are heavy. These are real copper.
They're cute, huh? Here, open it.
Check it out. These are actually...
Those are so cute.
Heavy.
So this is a Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Ooh. You know, we're not getting younger.
I am.
Oh, yeah. It smells so good too.
I don't smell the stuff.
It smells like sangria. Doesn't it? Does it or does it not?
God, I want to just taste it.
No, don't taste it. You're gonna poison yourself. Like,
it's called Coors? That what it's called? Coors? This is called Coors. Ooh, just in case you guys want to check this stuff out, we'll put it in the description below. Just click on it and go check it out.
We'll find it for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, next. A daily detox massaging brush. Deal for soothing and softening skin. Ooh, just in time for summer.
Another thing, daily concept. Look for it in the description below.
Yes, this is what I wanted. Champagne charcoal scrub.
Oh, is this gonna get you drunk?
No.
No?
Maybe my body.
That was one of the.
You're silly.
Ah, it actually smells like watermelon?
No.
Jolly Rancher, that watermelon Jolly Rancher?
It smells like champagne with rose.
Oh my god, you guys have no idea. All of this stuff smells so good. I swear I want to lick it.
You're gonna poison yourself.
God, it smells so good.
If I tell you guys one day, oh, you know, he's at the hospital, just know why. Because he's been tasting all the stuff that
she
he's not
hurt
supposed
me.
to. This is Sip by Swell insulated to keep your drinks hot and cold. Oh, baby, you can take this to work.
Really? It's pink.
Show me your moo-moo. So this is a robe.
A robe? Nobody wears robes.
Let's see. So one size fits all. This is cute. Oh my gosh, my ripped shorts. Cute.
Yeah, you can just wear that to bed. Nothing else.
Well, it's cute. Very spring. Okay. So should we check the prices, babe? So this robe, $84.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I kind of feel like it's not worth $84.
No, this.
That's extreme.
You can buy this at the 99-cent store. It's pretty good quality, I think.
It's nice, but I wouldn't pay $84 for it.
So if you've seen these at a store,
let us know.
For whatever price, it says Moo Moo.
Okay,
It says it's made in China. $84?
$84.
Not true. Not true. What do you think?
This one, the Wild Rose, is $48. I believe this is $48. Skincare is not cheap. $15. The measuring spoons, which are so cute. This is $19.99.
That's believable.
Yeah, that's what you see it at the stores. This is $18. Your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with a brush of natural bristles and massaging nodules. So you could massage me with this today.
How come you can't massage me?
Because that's not how it works. This is $26. This is $24. This is believable. This is all.
This one right here does smell good. And it's a big old thingamajigger. This is
and we need to exfoliate for the summer.
18.34 ounces.
I mean, we should exfoliate anyways. But that's
so do you use this in the shower or what do you use?
Yeah, you use it in the shower. It's to remove all your a layer of dead skin.
Oh, that doesn't happen to me. I have.
Oh, you have perfect skin?
I have fine skin.
Uh-huh. The No More Baggage Depuffing Gel is $42, which is believable because this brand is
Dr. Brandt.
So these were a gift. Nice. The total for all of this with my robe, it was...
Wait, that's not true. It was not that expensive.
Yes, it was. We added up all the prices. It was $276 for all of this.
And what did you pay again?
$29.99.
$30.
$30. And then this was a gift. This was extra, which is not listed. The prices aren't listed, so this is cute. We should add this to a giveaway.
You want to give that away? Give it away.